Welcome to the course and the world of Git. Git is the most popular open source version control system available as of today. GitHub is the world's largest web-based Git repository hosting service. In this course, you will learn in detail as to what Git is and how to work with a distributed version control system such as Git. And for bonus points, you will find out the reason why Linus Torvalds, the inventor of Linux, actually developed Git in the first place. We'll set up and install Git for your operating system with separate videos for Windows, Mac, and Linux. We will examine how to use Git from the command line or from software development tools like IntelliJ, Android Studio, and Eclipse. Special stress has been laid upon showing how Git integrates with those popular IDEs. You will learn how to create and maintain your own Git repositories on your local computer and how to create new repositories on GitHub. We will understand core Git commands like add command, commit command, status command, log command, pull command, push command, and many more. You'll get to see how the Git workflow works. Working directory. This is the root directory of your Git project. Staging area, also called index. This is where all related changes are built up. And commit area. This is where all the artifacts are stacked safely in the Git database. You will obtain the skills to set up GitHub as a remote repository for your local Git repositories. We'll introduce GitHub as a repository hosting service. We'll show how to set up a GitHub repository. We'll show how to connect from local machine to a GitHub repository. We'll show how to fork a repo. We'll also show how to clone a repo. And finally, we'll show how to use pull and push commands to achieve synchronization. Myself, Bibhash Roy, I am a Java architect, entrepreneur, and trainer who loves to teach. I have an educational background in electrical engineering, information technology, and management. I have a professional background in telecom and others. Also, I have several hobbies such as playing football and cycling. I'm sure you'll be having a lot of questions popping in your mind after watching this video. You'll get answers to all of them after going through the course. Thanks for watching this video.